Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the block meta element. The block meta element is a mini element which shows the meta information for a blog post on the page. In order to use the block meta element, I first need to insert a blog post element. Select a blog post to show. By default, the blog post element has some mini elements inside: a blog image, blog title, blog summary, and blog lead more. Let me insert a block meta element into the blog post. And it looks like this. You can see the published date here, the author, and the tags. Let's walk through the options the blog meta element has to offer. First, we have blog post that we can select the blog post to show. Under display options, we can enable or disable the published date, author, and tags. Down here, we can change the font, the icon color, the text color, font size. We can align the element to the left, to center, or to the right. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.